Welcome to English Podcast
from Speak English with Ease.
Close your eyes for a moment and ask yourself one simple question. Why do you want to speak English fluently? Is it for confidence? Is it for better opportunities? Is it so you can express your thoughts without fear? Whatever your reason is, hold it close to your heart, because this journey is not about language only.
This journey is about becoming a stronger version of yourself. Fluency is not magic. It is not talent. It is a process. And every process becomes easier when you break it into small, simple steps. Today, we will walk with you, step by step, slowly, gently, like a friend holding your hand.
First, understand this truth. You do not need perfect grammar to speak English. You need courage. You need consistency. You need to start. Most people wait. They wait to become perfect. They wait to learn everything. And in that waiting, they lose years. Do not wait. Start now.
Step 1. Listening. Before a child speaks, a child listens, again and again every day. You must do the same. Listen to simple English. Listen to short sentences. Listen to slow speech. For example, I am going to the market. Listen carefully. Notice the sound. Notice the rhythm. Do not rush. Just listen. 10 minutes is enough. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. 1 hour today and nothing for 3 days will not help you. But 15 minutes every day will change you.
Step 2. Repeat. When you listen, do not stay silent. Speak with it. I am going to the market. Say it again. I am going to the market. Do not worry about mistakes. Your tongue is learning. Your brain is adjusting. This is how fluency begins. At first, you may feel strange, shy. Your voice may shake. That is okay. Growth always feels uncomfortable. Stay with it.
Step 3. Understand meaning. Do not memorize without understanding. When you hear a sentence, know what it means. She is cooking food. That means she is making food. Simple, clear. Connect English with meaning, not with fear.
Step 4. Use small sentences. Many people try big, difficult sentences. They fail. They feel embarrassed. Then they stop. Do not do that. Start small. I am tired. I am happy. I like tea. I am learning English. Simple sentences are like bricks. One brick at a time builds a strong house.
Step 5. Speak daily. Even if you are alone, stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. My name is Arsal. I live in Pakistan. I am learning English. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. You may laugh at yourself. That is okay. But do not stop. This is your practice ground. This is your safe place.
Step 6. Think in English. This is powerful. This is where real change begins. Right now, you think in your native language and then translate. That creates confusion. Start small. Look at a glass. This is a glass. Look at your phone. This is my phone. Walk outside. The weather is hot. Small thoughts train the brain.
Step 7. Vocabulary, but useful vocabulary. Not difficult words. Useful words. Eat. Drink. Go, come, make, take, give. Use them. I eat food. I drink water. I go to school. I come home. Words become yours when you use them.
Step 8. Learn phrases. Phrases make your English natural. Instead of, I am very, very tired, say, I'm really tired. Instead of, I do not understand, say, I don't get it. Small changes, big difference.
Step 9. Listen to real conversations, not only lessons. Watch simple videos. Watch people talk. Notice how they pause. Notice their expressions. Language is not only words, it is feeling.
Step 10. Do not fear mistakes. This is the most important step. Fear kills fluency. Mistakes gild fluency. He go to school. Then you realize he goes to school. Good, you learned. People may laugh, not because you are weak, but because they do not understand your courage. You are trying. You are growing. That matters.
Fluency is not speaking fast. Fluency is speaking clearly. I am learning English. Slow is okay. Powerful even. Do not chase speed. Chase clarity.
Build daily habits. Morning, listen for 10 minutes. Afternoon, speak for 10 minutes. Evening, think in English for 10 minutes. Small routine, big transformation.
Write small sentences. I woke up early. I ate breakfast. I went to work. Writing organizes thoughts. It makes speaking easier.
Practice conversation with a friend or with yourself. You, how are you? I am fine. Simple conversations build confidence.
Be patient. Fluency takes time. Like planting a seed. You water it daily. You trust the process.
Believe in yourself. You learned your first language. You can learn this one too. Say it with me. I can speak English. Again, I can speak English.
One day, you will speak without thinking. No translation, no fear. You will pause and realize, this is my first victory. Fluency is built in small moments like this.
Broken English is better than silent English. I go market yesterday. That is okay. It becomes, I went to the market yesterday. Growth is happening.
Do not run. Walk, but do not stop. Your voice matters. Your thoughts matter. English is just the tool.
Start today. One sentence, then another. One day you will speak confidently. Not perfect, but fearless. And confidence is more powerful than perfection.
Keep going. Keep speaking. Keep believing.
You didn't just learn English. You transformed yourself.
Before you go, tell us one thing in the comments. What is the biggest reason you want to speak English fluently?
And if this voiceover helped you today, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more calm and powerful English learning journeys.
Goodbye, and keep growing, one sentence at a time.